In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update existing items in Monday.com with a form using the SuperForm app. This process will streamline your workflow, making updates effortless and ensuring that your team stays on the same page. Let's dive straight into it. First, open up your Monday.com board. Once there, head over to the top right corner and find the little plus sign. That's your app's marketplace icon. Give it a click and type in SuperForm in the search bar. When you see the app pop up, select Install and add it to your account and board. This tool is vital as it facilitates the form updates, ensuring a seamless integration with your existing workflow. With SuperForm installed, now it's time to create or open a form. Back in your board, access the SuperForm from the app's menu. You have the choice to create a new form or select one that you've already been working on. After you've made your selection, make sure to connect this form to the board that houses the items you want to update. This step is crucial because it directly ties the form to your work data, ensuring changes are made where they're needed. Now open the form settings and locate the option for Update Existing Items or Edit Items mode. Toggle this option on. Doing so allows the form to look up and modify existing records rather than always creating new ones. This feature is especially beneficial as it helps maintain data consistency and prevents unnecessary duplicates. Next, it's important to set a unique identifier field on your form. This could be anything like an item name, ID, or email. Think of it as a unique tag for each item. This identifier lets SuperForm know exactly which existing item to update upon form submission. For example, if you're managing client information, using their email as the identifier is a practical choice. After determining the identifier, you're ready to map your form fields to the corresponding columns in your Monday.com board. Essentially, you're linking each form field to a data point in your board, like pairing a text field with a text column, a drop-down with a status column, and dates with a date column. Ensure that all the fields you want assigned and updated are mapped correctly, as this ensures that every submission targets the correct data. Before wrapping up, it's time to test your form. Enter the identifier for an existing item in the form, fill out the other fields, and hit Submit. Upon submission, return to your board to ensure the existing item has been updated instead of duplicated. This testing phase is crucial for confirming that everything is hooked up correctly. Finally, share your form. Copy the form link and distribute it to your team or clients. Now, anyone with access to the form and the correct identifier will be able to make updates directly in Monday.com. This process not only saves time, but also improves accuracy by keeping all your data in one unified platform. By following these steps, you'll efficiently update items in Monday.com with ease, enhancing productivity and collaboration.